Hi guys, so as you just saw, I have some flashing things on my ASM. Eventually, after a few minutes of sitting there doing that, I can get it to go in. But then my clutch is awful. If I oh, and here we go again. If I attempt to touch the accelerator just slightly, the van will really jump for it, like that. There's no softness there unless I use the handbrake to sort of allow it to build up. I've now managed to get reverse, and again, you see it just jumps like that. Same if I'm in first. As I say, at the moment, once it's sort of got back into swing of things, it's all right as long as I'm in weight mode. If I go into economy mode, all sorts of bad things happen, especially when changing down the gear. But if it's in weight mode, when changing down the gear, it's fine. I'm just going to put my foot on the pedal because no, we're not good, are we? Right, and this is what happens again. Oh, now the clutch is normal again. It's nice and smooth now, and I've got the handbrake off, which is very strange. Does definitely indicate some sort of hydraulic fault. I will point out I am on private land at the moment, so if you're wondering about how I'm filming this, it's not a public highway. Anyway, yeah, it's gone back to being smooth again. So you've seen what's going on. If you've got any thoughts, please do let me know, because I am so desperate. Thank you very much, guys.